Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Ranger roller shutter. Locate the release latch near the rear cargo area and pull firmly while lifting the shutter slowly to avoid damage. First, check that the tailgate is lowered and the locking pins are retracted. Use steady hands and keep clear of edges. If the shutter feels stuck, do not force it. Inspect for debris or bent tracks and clean before trying again. Use gloves and safety glasses when accessing the roller shutter to prevent cuts and eye injuries. Inspect the track for debris, dents, or misalignment, and clear any obstructions with a soft brush. If you have access to silicone spray, apply sparingly along the track to improve movement without attracting dirt. When testing the shutter, keep hands clear and operate slowly, watching for unusual noises that could indicate sticking rollers, bent tracks, or a seized latch are common causes of a stuck roller shutter. Check rollers for wear and run a finger along tracks to feel for dents or rough spots. Bent tracks can often be gently reshaped, but severe damage requires professional repair. If the latch mechanism is corroded, apply lubricant and cycle it several times. Always test the shutter gently after adjustments to confirm smooth, safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.